So you're watching the Winston Cooking and Discovery TV channel. So liver and provisions is the menu dish for today. So I'll be putting some selected choice vegetables in here. All vegetables, no leaf vegetables today. Alright. Alright, so this is the provisions. Dumplings and bananas and plantain. I'm going to add some more items in here. Those are the tomatoes. I'm going to add some onions and some scallions. Check on the provision spot. See how it's going. Alright, so that's the bananas, the dumplings, and the plantains. Let them cook. Alright, I'm going to add some other items in here. I'm going to add the sayote. Sayote, that's the chocha. Sayote, that's the Filipino language. Different size. And the next carrots. So that is the sayote and some scallion. Next, some Irish or Idaho American potatoes. And last but not least, bell peppers, 4 colors. Yellow, green, Arangina, and Rojo. That's right. So that is my liver. That is my liver. That is the liver. Not my liver, but the beef liver that I'm cooking. And that is onion. Give it a few minutes, then I'll stir everything up, and then I'll add some water to it, some liquid to it. Actually, coming straight from the spot, from the provision spot in there. You're watching the Winston Joy cooking on this regular TV on the YouTube.com. Otherwise, so you don't eat meat, I think, if I'm not mistaken. How about some nice liver? Some nice liver cooked with bananas and plantains and cornmeal and flour dumpling. How about that? Alright, one day I'm going to do some red snapper for you, okay? Alright, I'm going to take some liquid from the provisions pot. Already hot, and there's more than enough. That's it. Alright, so you saw what I just did? I took some of the soup from the provisions pot. Let me say it again. I took some of the soup from the provisions pot and put it inside of the liver pot. Alright, I'll be adding some ketchup to this. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV channel. Okay, I'll be adding some ketchup in here, in the liver. Alright, that should do it. Final touches, some onion powder. Some other final touch, garlic powder. It's looking great. It's smelling fantastic. Alright. Turn the fire low. My signature pepper. That's the Scotch Bonnet, one of the hottest pepper in the world. Scotch Bonnet and red peppers are the two hottest pepper, I believe. There is. And and they come in many different varieties. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. Alright, this is the provisions. Alright, this is the dumplings, cornmeal dumplings, bananas and plantain. They're ready. Alright, my friends, that is your liver. Fire turn low. Leave it, let it simmer. Simmer. The water settled on the top and it has these. But anyway, alright, so that's the provisions. That's the liver. Alright. Everything is ready. Cook. Ready to eat. Okay, Mama Palanga, the one and only fruit queen from Indochina. This is what I was cooking. Alright, this is what I was cooking while I was late for your live. For your live streaming, alright? This is the dish that I was making while I was late. So this is liver and provisions. That's the liver with vegetables, and this is the provisions, Mama Palanga. This is simple food for simple folks, especially when you're not rich. So you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. So this is liver and provisions. That's the dish for today. So this is dinner. This is dinner for a couple of days. So I'll see you in a little while. All right. Turn it off. And this one as well, turned off. All right, ready to share. Okay, my friends, this is the final touch. This is the finishing touch of my liver and provisions. Okay, and I'm having a salad with it, a Caesar salad with bacon bits on it, bacon flavored bits. So we have the Caesar salad, Caesar dressing, and the bacon bits, pieces, and of course some cranberry juice. So you see I'm eating healthy. So here I have various vegetables on this plate. I have sayote, I have Irish potatoes, I have turnips. In Jamaica they call the sayote chocho. I have plantains, and I have cooked bananas, and I have flour and cornmeal dumpling. Yes, it's right under the potatoes, under the salad, because there's gravy. I put gravy on it, so that's the flour and cornmeal dumpling. All right, so this is my dinner. This is my dinner. This will be a full meal. I won't eat for the next 2 days. Alright, you believe me? Alright, so Mama Palanga, this is what I was preparing, okay? That's why I was late. This is what I was cooking here. Today's Friday. Okay, Mama Palanga, from Indochina, the one and only fruit queen, this is what I was cooking. Alright, so thanks to all my friends in the Philippines and across Jamaica.